All right, we have 29,000 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Got the rear view mirror camera, front lift, heads up display, non-smoker, smells very fresh in here. Absolutely gorgeous car for 30,000 miles. It looks like it has 10. Very well kept. No PPF on the front end or anything. The car does not have floor mats. No owner's manual. I imagine it had WeatherTechs. Just gonna go on a quick drive here though. Alignment feels good. Steering wheel's nice and straight. I'm gonna hit on the brakes. Brakes are solid, no issues there, no vibrations or any weird noises. No creaks or anything like that. Drives awesome. I'll get on it here in just a little bit. Got your paddle shifters. It's a very, very nice car. No complaints of drivability. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this is a non-smoker. Overall looks really good, but like I said, we're gonna go through this inch by inch and just kind of inspect it. We got the Falcons. Looks good. Date code 2025, so they're pretty new. Looking at that wheel, got the machine lip. Looks awesome. Bright red calipers. Overall, that wheel is in great condition. Looking at the paint here, looks good. Gloss black metallic on the mirror, looks awesome. A-pillar nice and clean. Bring it away down the door. Looks good. That metallic looks nice. And look at the depth of the paint. Very, very nice. Edges feel good. So far it looks incredible. Date code 2025 once again. That wheel looks really nice. Already have the window tint here on the sides. No PPF on the car anywhere, no paint protection film. So of course you're gonna have a couple little impacts, little rock chips. It's all pretty minor though, just little stuff. Now this is a factory defect. I see this in pretty much all of them, where you have these kind of little markings on the inside. I think it's moisture or something. I've seen that a lot. It's on the inside of the lens though. Overall, that looks great. Like I said, you're gonna have some little rock chips, especially considering it does have miles on the car. So it's not 2,000 miles and only has one little chip. Now this front splitter has rash on it. It's chewed up pretty good, but these are cheap. So it's an easy replacement. For the miles, that is a very clean front end. Very impressed with that. Looks good here. Wheel looks awesome. A couple tiny rock chips here. A-pillar looks good. Looking at the roof, that's in great condition. You have a little chip there. Extremely nice car for the miles. I'm very impressed. Wheel looks good. Metallic black on that spoiler. Black here. Got the black there. See a little mark here. It does not catch your nail though. great looking car. Here on the interior, it is a non-smoker. Smells really fresh in here. Like I said, just under 30,000 miles, and that's in incredible condition for that. Looking at that door panel, looks good. The brushed metal here is nice and clean. Buttons look awesome. It's a really good looking door panel. Now you do have typical scuffs from getting in and out right there. That bolster looks nice. Very minor wear on that edge. So that's a great looking seat. No floor mats. I bet they had some weather techs and they took it with them. That looks good though. Overall nice and clean. Got the heads up display. That looks really nice up there. It does have front lift. Those buttons look great. Like I said, 30,000 miles, that's really nice. Here on this door panel, looking at the upper section, looks good, nice and clean, memory seating, Bose audio. Overall looks good. Now you do have some scuffs from getting in and out. No floor mat. Must have had some weather techs and they took it with them. That bolster looks good. That bolster looks nice. Carpet's kind of popping out here. The rest of that looks good. No separation on that leather. That looks really nice. Smells fresh back here. I do see a couple small stains.